when this all came out, it was the worst.
Yeah.
And it shattered my life.
I get married and I find out, man, I'm still doing this.
Yeah.
I'm still struggling. And it escalated and escalated
Yeah.
and escalated. We had 2 kids at the time. She was pregnant with our 3rd child. And I'm in the basement just dying of this addiction. I thought there's no way ever that I'm gonna tell her or anybody some of the things that I did. We thought, well, let's get into counseling. This is gonna fix everything. And they're like, well, you guys gotta get in a group. We gotta take both all our kids and drive 45 minutes every Tuesday night for over a year to this group. And it was the first place I was able to just be real, be honest, be seen and be known. I think I was still in the denial of like, I still don't have to share everything, all my secrets. But that's when God's just like, Devon, you have to break. You have to be able to break. You gotta bring this to the church. And they play our video, just kind of sharing a high overview of our story. And after the video's over, she begins to stand on the stage and worship and lead the congregation. Man, everybody's made in God's image. And I saw the image of God on my wife. She's standing up on stage, unashamed of me. And I never understood God's grace like that. I've been living not knowing of God's true grace on the cross, what he's done. And I get to see it in my wife. That's what these groups do. That's what the people's faces do. That's what the truth is being put out. And that was a moment that I will just never forget. That's a moment that will go on for generations in our family. Like, they will know, how we have the face of God.